Honey, she is serving mermaid freaking realness.
Hey guys, MzBrooklyn here. Welcome back to my channel, MzBrooklyn's Beauty-Corner. I feel like it's been forever since I actually sat down and did one of these videos and kicked it with you guys. Like, it's literally been a minute. Let's address the elephant in the room. I've neglected this channel a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I treated this channel like the stepchild all of last year, dropping videos here and there and then focusing on my other channels. But I do have 2 other channels. If you don't already know, I have MzBrooklyn's Journey, which I'm neglecting right now for my own reasons. And then I have my vlog channel, which I'm active on. So that's BNJTV, that's with my boyfriend and I. And then there's this channel. I made a promise to myself that I was gonna get back into what I love, which is beauty and fashion, and really developing my sense of style and who I am as a person, and being creative and using my outlet to just spew my creativity while influencing, and also just my love for products and fashion and reviewing those things. Like, yeah, I mean, I really did take a break. During that break, I didn't shop at all. Like, I did not buy makeup for, I really want to say a year. It could be a little less than a year, but I know it's been a very long time since I bought makeup. Up until recently, like, I was not purchasing any makeup. Any new makeup that I was getting was from PR packages that I was receiving, but I was not spending any money on makeup or any money on clothes. I lost enthusiasm for the beauty community and things. I have my own reasons why I lost the enthusiasm and things that I saw, but you know, she's back. Things are gonna be a little bit different here, but you guys will see in the long run. I don't want to jump into too much of that here in this video right now at this moment, but you guys will see that, you know, things are gonna be a little different on this channel. We're gonna do things a little bit differently, but it's gonna be a lot more fun. Like I mentioned, I haven't bought any makeup in so long, and I just, you know, a hiatus and stuff like that. Recently I got some drugstore makeup, and the reason why I feel like I'm more attracted to drugstore makeup right now in my life. Y'all know me, like, it don't matter to me. Like, I'm in Sephora, I'm in Ulta, I'm in Target, I'm in Walmart. It really does not matter to me. But at this very moment, when it comes to makeup, I'm attracted to drugstore makeup right now. And then when it comes to beauty products like skincare, it's all high-end. And if y'all want a high-end skincare haul, let me know in the comment section and I'll bring it to you. And the reason why I'm more attracted to drugstore makeup and also small brand black owned businesses makeup brands right now is because I really think about other people's budget. Because I know if I'm on a budget, and the way I buy makeup and the way I budget to buy makeup and support my, you know, my enthusiasm and my makeup addiction, I think about my subscribers as well. So I want to be more, I want to bring more affordable makeup products on my channel. Like, I don't want to be all high-end all the time, like $50 eyeshadow palette. Nobody got time for that. Like, no, okay? Listen, we got bills, Trump is in office, and nobody have time to be spending $50 on makeup, even though I'm an addict and I probably do it anyway. But I'm gonna start off with the PR packages. Today I got a package from Pixie. Pixie has been sending me a ton of stuff lately, and I am here for it also. Thank you, Pixie. Shout out to you. This is not sponsored. This is just a PR package. They really have been sending a ton of stuff to me lately. This is stalking the lights. So this is looking like you only better in no time. That's Pixie. So it is a bunch of liners. So it is a bunch of eyeliners. Yeah, you got an eye brightener liner, an eye definer waterline. You have a endless silky eye pen, and a few colors, which these colors are really, really, really pretty. And I have some mascara, a felt tip liner, and oh, some lash primers. Like I said, I've been getting tons of PR from Pixie, and this is from the collaboration that they did with a couple of YouTubers, Dulce Candy Wiley, I can't say her last name, and Hang Hung, and Chloe Monarello. These are the palettes that each YouTuber came out with. This is the Chloe Monarello palette right here, and it is eyes, cheeks, and brows. And this is the Whaley. This is Whaley's palette, which I really like this palette, and I cannot wait to use it. And then of course it's Dulce Candy's palette, and hers is so cute. It's upside down because I opened it and looked at it out of the packaging. This is her lip palette. This is really, 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 really pretty. I can't wait to play in this. And this is the eyeshadow palette. And it is in all shimmer. So I'm gonna need, I'm gonna have to use the other palettes in conjunction. You know what I plan on doing? I plan on doing a first impressions makeup tutorial where I'm playing with new stuff and it's first impressions. Let me know if you want that. I mean, I'm probably gonna do it anyway, whether you want it or not. If you watch it, you watch it. You don't, you don't. I feel like we all could use a black girl reviewing Pixie brand their makeup anyway. And I also got the lip icing. This is also from Chloe's collaboration right here. All right, so before I move on to the rest of the drugstore palettes I do have one palette that is not drugstore. However, it is drugstore price. It is from Juvia's Place. It is the Festival palette. You guys have seen this so many times on YouTube, probably all over Instagram. I got my hands on this. I knew when I was gonna purchase makeup, I knew this was one of the palettes I was gonna get. For some reason, like I said, I'm more drawn to drugstore makeup right now and off-brands online makeup that is on, you know, online only, e-makeup, e-stores. The colors in this palette are so beautiful. I knew I wanted to play with this. I knew I wanted to purchase it. I'm here for all of this. I'm really, really drawn to colors right about now. I don't know why. I mean, I'm such a neutral girl, but right now I'm on this I want color kick. Like, all I want is color, and I want to jump out of my comfort zone. I'm inspired, and I think that's what not being in the makeup community for a while does to you. You come back rejuvenated and inspired. So yeah, here's the palette. Absolutely gorgeous palette. Of course, the name, it's upside down because of the way I'm holding it, but it's just gorgeous. Right, back to my drugstore. I picked up the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Yeah, the Maybelline Craze palette, I got this off of Amazon for $10 Prime, shipped the next very day. I do have Amazon Prime. I feel like they was wilding and bugging. I don't smell any. I mean, it has a faint smell. I don't really know what people really talking about. Like, this smell is faint. Here she is. How gorgeous does she look? How gorgeous does she look? Like, I'm just like, ooh, I want to play with her. I'm gonna do a review on this palette. So next up, I got 3 palettes from Ulta Drugstore. This is Makeup Revolution. I've been hearing people rave about Makeup Revolution and how pigmented their palettes are, how affordable their palettes are. These palettes were like $7.99 a pop. They are dupes to Anastasia Beverly Hills, Modern Renaissance, and Subculture. And this one is a dupe to Too Faced Peach palette. I did get to play with these palettes, and I was impressed by the pigmentation. As far as the quality of the shadow, it was just like a little too powdery for me, like talky. But the pigmentation, honey, oh, she's there. Yeah, as you can see, I played with this one, and this is a Subculture dupe. And yeah, it's the pigmentation is there. This one is the dupe to the Modern Renaissance palette. It is so gorgeous, like so freaking beautiful. What I will do is I'm gonna do a full review video on these products because I do want to really play with them. And this one is the dupe to, I would say, the Too Faced Peach palette. It's very reminiscent of the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So you guys, no, sorry, Sweet Peach Modern Renaissance, my bad, I had it backwards. So Pixie has liquid lipsticks out, and they are called Maddest Lip. They're called Maddest Lip liquid lipstick, and I have 5 of the shades here, and I am wearing All Natural right now with a gloss on top. I really like the formula of these. They are actually really good. Again, I will be using these in a video coming soon. I'm gonna do a full face of Pixie, and I'll be swatching some of these for you guys. So don't be alarmed if I'm not swatching anything right now. I'm wearing white. I'm really afraid right now. Like, this is a brand new top from Boohoo, and I'm like, I didn't even get to wear her out yet. Like, you crazy? Really random, but I never got my hands on the Makeup Shayla Big Shot Colossal Mascara in Black is Black because it was sold out. I wanted to buy it, and then I was over buying makeup, so I saw it and I was like, oh, let me support my baby and get this. Next up, I have some Wet n Wild concealer. The Wet n Wild, what is this called? It's just the Wet n Wild concealer, and I got it in the shade medium deep tan and tawny, medium tawny. I've heard lots of good things about these. These were $3.99, $4, like, girl, from Ulta. I was like, oh, honey, let me snag it. So I picked it up, and hopefully it's nice. Again, video coming soon with me just trying a whole bunch of new products and reviewing it for you guys. So if you was living under a rock, like, you probably wouldn't notice, but the whole damn beauty community, in my boo Rich Lux's voice, the beauty community is talking about these Maybelline Age Rewind. Lord, these Maybelline Age Rewind concealers, and I got the shade tan and the shade caramel. Honey, clock it the house. Okay, love you so much. Clock it. I'm obsessed with Rich Lux. Y'all are gonna hear me sound like him because I feel like he's my spirit animal. Like, if Rich Lux was straight, he would be my husband. Like, he's just, I love him. Rich Lux, I love you. Okay, I just wanted to tell you, you beautiful. And when I grow up, I'm gonna marry you. I need to get off Instagram. Like, I really need to get off. If somebody come get my phone, like, dead ass. I'm on Instagram like way too much. My brain cells are dying. Okay, you would not know that I have a bachelor's degree in business and marketing, and I'm in actual PR in real life, and I have a full-time career. You would not know this, that I'm actually really smart. I already know first impressions coming through. And you know what I'm gonna do? I think I have enough to do a full face of Maybelline products. So I'm gonna do a full face of Maybelline makeup. I also picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder, loose finishing powder in the shade Deep 30. The whole damn world has been talking about this. Again, the beauty community is the one that made me buy it. I tried it out today, and I don't know, I feel like my under eyes look really flawless. I just got it on under my eyes. Really random. I picked up some Eyelure lashes. I saw these and I thought they would be cute. This one especially, the Eyelure definition in the shade, in the number 126. Clock at the house. Clock it. Clock it. Catch this tea, honey. How gorgeous. And then the next one I got, these are the other ones I have, and I just thought these were pretty for you know, natural days when it's like, oh, what lash, honey, these are real, baby. Y'all thought they were really cute, fun, flirty, one dramatic, one natural. Next up is a repurchase. I'm obsessed. This is the third freaking bottle of my Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. It is an energizing, hydrating, setting spray. Girl, get you some. That's all I'm gonna say. Get you some. It's amazing. I love it. Again, this is the sister company, the Pixie setting sprays and Pop Beauty setting spray. Get you some. Get you some. Thank me later. So another repurchase I got is the NYX No Filter finishing powder. It is the dupe to the Sephora Baked finishing powder. I'm obsessed with this. I do not put my makeup on without this baby right here. Like, this is everything. This is in a shade Deep Golden. It is the smidget, like a smidget darker than my skin tone. And not even darker, redder than my skin tone. It's golden, but it still has red undertone. I'm an olive undertone. I am very green, okay? My undertone is green. I'm golden and I'm olive. So, that's why green looks so beautiful on me, because it's my undertone. Like, you know, but I like that it reads a little warmer on my skin because it makes me look more melanated, richer, healthier. I love it. So I always wear this. Like if I put some close-ups on here and y'all see my skin, y'all gonna be like, girl, what you wearing? And mind you, y'all know I don't wear foundation. So I have on concealer, little powder, a little bit of this. I picked up the Makeup Revolution Pro Base Blur Illuminating Primer. And it was a couple of bucks, like $8. So I'm curious to try it out. Matter of fact, it feels gel-like. It feels like very oily and gel. Like, yeah, wow. This feels like it's even, look how shiny that is. Yeah, that's shiny. Whoa, 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 whoa. Y'all see that? Yeah, that's dumb shiny. That's wild shiny. Like, almost like baby oil. Like, you know, like the baby oil gel, Vaseline gel? Like, that's the consistency it feels like. I don't know how this is gonna, I don't know how that's gonna work out, baby. And then I also picked up the Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Spray. And yeah, we should try this out, see how good they are. Again, first impressions video, I'll use these items in it. Next up, I picked up the Makeup Revolution Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights, and I have this on right now, honey. Let me tell you something. Sis, run, go get it. It looks white, right? Like, I know you like Brooklyn girls. Sit down. Where is it white? Honey, you see this? Look, I'm gonna swatch this baby for you. Now, it's coming off like Starkey on the finger and powdery, right? But when you put it on, girl, sis, when you put this baby on, sis, blinding, honey. She says, I'm gonna disrespect you, and when the sun hits her, do you see her? Like, she don't play. Honey, she don't play. Girl, she does not play. I have been wearing her religiously since I've gotten her, and when I'm outside, honey, the sun be like, damn bitch, you're doing the most. I'll be like, I know, honey. So YouTube made me buy it. The world has hyped up the Maybelline Chrome highlighters, so I picked up 100 Molten Golds, as you can see right here, and I have been using it religiously since I got it about 2 weeks ago. I really, really, really love it. I have it on today with this is like the holy grail combo right now. Next up, I picked up 3 of the NYX Powder Puff Lippies, and I got the shades Cool Intentions, Squad Goals, and Best Buds. Girl, I like these. I really, really like them. I really, really like them. They have this type of applicator. At first, I thought I was gonna like the applicator, but it's actually really easy to use. Lastly, I picked up some of the Wet n Wild's liquid formulas of their lipsticks in the shade Give Me Mocha, which is my favorite shade of the bunch. Very beautiful. Nudist Peach, which is a peachy nude, self-explanatory. I got the shade Nice to Fuchsia, which one of my pictures on Instagram, 2 of my pictures on Instagram, I had this on, and I got the most likes ever, and the most "what lipstick is that shade" comment ever, like ever. And this one is Video Vixen. It's a deep red. So yeah, all right guys, so that's it for this haul. That is everything that I got drugstore related. Of course, I'm gonna be banging videos out for you guys, especially first impressions and makeup reviews on these items. I really want to fill you guys in. I'm more gravitated to that, like I said. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to thumbs me up, show the kids some love. Follow me on my social media networks. Links and stuff like that is in the description box below. And yeah, let me know what videos you guys want to see from the kids. She got you. All right guys, that's it for this video. I love you all. See you on my next one. Bye.